CNBC TV 18 is awaiting HDFC Bank's comment on the same, so that is something we will keep on our radar. Just watch out for a handful of stocks. NTPC, that's the one which is surging ahead, up 9% right now just as we speak. And alongside that we have Power Grid as well, which is moving to the high point of today's trading range. But let's talk about Insecticides India. Reported a weakish set of first quarter numbers. We had the revenue growing by about 14%, but the profits actually declined by 30%. This as the margins contracted significantly. We have Rajesh Aggarwal, who's the managing director of the company, joining us now with the Q1 fine print. Thanks a lot, Mr. Aggarwal, for joining in. First up, if you tell us, what exactly led to the underperformance of your Maharatna pack? Was it the discontinuation of two of your products selling out there? Just 3% growth in your Maharatna pack. How much can you do this year?
This has been a tough time actually due to COVID, because the raw material supplies and the availability of different things was a problem, and even the manpower and the logistics was an issue. So the production got a big hit. So due to the hit in the production, we could sell only what was available at the godown, or whatever we could take to the godowns, and it could reach to the distributor. So the Maharatna pack picks up generally in the second quarter. So Maharatna will be picking up actually, and we are very, very confident that we will be able to make up our Maharatna this quarter in particular. So the decline, whatever has got a hit, the hit has been majorly due to the product mix, because whatever we had, the generics in our hand, they got sold more. So there was a hit. I think there is a fair chance of recovery in quarter two.
And we're already halfway through the second quarter, so we'll take your word for it, Mr. Aggarwal. Give us a sense for the year. What kind of sales are you looking at from your Maharatna product mix? If you could give us a sense out there. And also for the company on the whole, what will you end this year with? 1,500 crores or more?
Yes, we are keeping a similar target of 1,500 crores. The things are difficult in the sense because a lot of shutdowns and closures are coming in different markets of the country due to this COVID situation. So that is the only worry. Otherwise, if we look at the monsoons are good and the sowing is good and the demand for agrochemical products is good. So looking at the demand, I am very, very confident that achieving targets will be difficult. And with this, we are expecting that we should be able to launch at least 3 to 4 products during next 1 month, from August to mid of September. The registrations got too much delayed, but still we will be able to launch. That will also give a positive signal to the market in the sense that we will be bringing these new products, and we should be able to launch during, yes, the half season is gone, but still we will try to take the advantage in the eastern and the southern parts of the country in the Kharif season, and in the Rabi they will be supporting us in the entire country. So with these launches of new products and also with the our Maharatna pack, I think we should be able to justify the Maharatna. Our sales of Maharatna year on year will not drop in this year. I'm confident.
So that's flat growth for the Maharatna vertical, or because you're saying sales will not drop year on year. If you could tell us a little more about that.
Drop means my sales will be like 1,500 crores is the vision, my vision also. And I'm quite confident I should be able to achieve that. And Maharatna percentage, whatever we are achieving, we would like to grow that percentage with the new products also coming in. The older products also will not drop.
If you could tell us how much is the percentage growth that you're looking at in Maharatna. Secondly, you spoke about new products. So Milstim Max, Hakama Super, these new products that you added in this quarter, how big can they be in terms of revenue for this year and going forward?
These are relatively smaller products. The new launches are about to come actually. Okay. So the new launches, with the 4 new launches which will be coming, they may give about 30, 40 to 50 crores of turnover in this year. So from the new packs, new products, I will only target 50 crores. The 50 crores growth, the additional 50 crores should come from the Maharatnas and some other products, and another 30, 40, 50 crores growth, whatever is the gap, that should come from exports and also the institutional business. So overall, I would say we should be able to grow our new products by 50 crores, Maharatnas by another 30 crores, and similar 30 crores growth will come from the other generic products. So overall, 1,500 crore target looks achievable as of today.
And Maharatna will contribute how much to that 1,500 crores?
Exactly percentage I don't remember. I don't want to comment that, but
rough
it will
range,
not drop. Yeah.
Rough range. Will it be 30%, 40%, or just a rough range if we could get?
Would be 40% plus.
40%. And also your margins, that was the big disappointment, in this quarter. It's come down to around 12%. It could be a one-off, but for the year, what kind of a margin number are you working with?
margins are going to improve. Actually, you have to appreciate the difficult situation and the increase and decrease in the raw material fluctuations, the price fluctuations and availability of things. So it was a difficult situation. Whatever we had to sell. There was great demand for many products which we could not supply due to these constraints actually. So this all good products are going to sell during this quarter, and in this quarter you will see the substantial improvement in the Maharatna sales actually.
We take your point that this quarter is going to do well, this year you're going to sell, but the other thing is that are you receiving money, because you had made a provision of close around 10 crore rupees for trade receivables coming in from Chhattisgarh. So currently, what does your overall receivable picture look like from both states as well as the center?
Like if I talk about all India, we are getting the all-time high collections this year. So we wanted to be debt free in the first quarter. We are, and we are also collecting cash. Okay. So when I say cash, I mean like our credit balance in the bank is mounting up actually today because of our policy. Because in this difficult situation, we don't want to supply market with the routine credit, and we have cut down the credit limits of all our customers actually, amount wise also days wise. So we are trying to generate more business on cash. That is the policy of the company, looking at the difficult situation, because you can very well understand due to these difficult circumstances, it can be on risk. This 10 crore write-off is there. Yes, there was a problem in Chhattisgarh which has occurred, which was already reported this year actually. There is a total issue of about 20 crores. So 10 crore provision we are made, because we believe that we may be able to recover 50 to 60% out of that. So that court case is on, and we are fighting for it. So we are also chasing the market to settle and pay us the money. So this 50% provision is already made out of these 20 crores.
All right, Mr. Aggarwal, thanks a lot for stopping by and giving us all those details. Wish you good luck for the remainder of this year. The street will particularly eye the performance that you do in your second quarter and the promised 1500 crores for this year itself. With that, we'll step into a short break. We'll have Abhay Soy, the Managing Director of Max Healthcare, joining us on the other side.